Hi, so in this video we're going to quickly look at a probability question. So in a bag there are only red counters, blue counters, green counters and yellow counters. Counters taken at random from the bag. Table shows the probabilities of green or yellow. So that's them two. So the total of probabilities is 1. So what I need to do is add those two first. I will get 0.55 and then I'm going to take that off from 1.0, so that should be 1.0 take away 0.55, that should be 0.45, so 0.45 is remaining from here. Now I'm going to read this sentence. The probability that the counter will be red is twice the probability the counter will be blue. So red is more likely, it's twice the probability of blue. So what that means is we've got two boxes as opposed to one for the blue as a ratio of 2:1. So what that means is we've got a total of 3. So we're going to do 0.5 divided by 3, which is 0.15. So that means the blue is 0.15 and the red is 0.3, because that's twice that. There are 21 green counters in the bag, so that is 21. Work out the number of red counters in the bag. So if that is 21, so I'm just going to write that here. So 0.35 represents 21 counters. We need to get to 0.30. So probably go to 0.05 first. So divide by a factor of 7. Dividing this by 7, that means 3 counters. To go from 5 to this, we need to times by 6. So I need to times that by 6. So that means we have 18 counters which are red. So the final answer is 18 red counters.